This is an 8-inch roll-in vertical bandsaw. This unit has a 3/4 horsepower motor and is 110 only. As you can see, everything about a roll-in bandsaw, everything is manual on it. There is nothing mechanical. Everything is very basic. Lift your lever forward, slowly bring the blade in until you touch your part. When you touch your part, the gravity takes over with the weight on the side. As it hits under the stroke, it cuts the part off. Bring it all the way back down until it's detent, locks it back. Over here, you can move your weight. The weight controls your feed pressure. So when you have your weight back here, you have less feed pressure, which means that there's less force from the blade pushing on your workpiece. If you bring this all the way forward, you have the most amount of weight pushing on your workpiece. Therefore, your feed rate's going to be faster, it's going to cut faster. So here, put my workpiece in here, I'm going to take a clamp it down to the table. Glasses on. Turn the unit on. You have on and off switch right here in the front. Slowly bring the blade into your workpiece. Let it start cutting. Once it starts cutting, the force of the weight takes over it and will cut through the piece. This has a very fine blade on it, so it's going to take a little longer for this to cut. So it cuts, like I say, it cuts 100%, but that's pretty damn close to me. This unit also has a fence. You loosen up the radius piece. You can cut whichever angle you would like. Or if you choose, you can take the piece all the way out, and you can use the fence and you can cut with the fence. This is our rolling 8-inch vertical bandsaw.